Hey guys, a new version of ChatGPT 4 is out, which is 100 times better than the previous one. AI tokens are about to launch the second wave of the pump, and Elon Musk has switched from memcoins to AI. How to make a portfolio of AI tokens and earn 100x. Why you shouldn't miss out on this trend, and what are the prospects of the GPT coin? Let's find out right now. OpenAI has launched a more improved version of their product GPT-4. The newer version of GPT-4 is 100 times smarter and more accurate than the previous one. AI can now read picture data, pass exams with 80 to 90% success rate, and even find vulnerabilities in Ethereum smart contracts. The AI trend is evolving, and this will definitely affect the growth of crypto assets that are related to AI. Remember how the hype started around the meta-universes in 2021? First, the Axie Infinity game shot up and surged 10x in a month. But then there was a second wave of hype, and the token skyrocketed another 600%. There was a similar situation with Sandcoin. What I am saying is that the AI trend is just emerging, and similar meta-universes. We are at the beginning of the second, stronger wave of an AI token pump. Elon Musk has just switched from memcoins to discussing AI, and Binance is launching an AI generation service called NFT. Before the assets surge, I'll show you how to build a balanced portfolio of AI tokens with the potential to grow 100 times.
3, 2, 1, fire!
Guys, if you enjoy my content and want to help develop the channel, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers fast. And so, the backbone of the portfolio is the fundamental Singularity and Fetch AI coins. The first coin is indirectly promoted by Elon Musk on his Twitter with memes and tweets. Perhaps this particular coin will be pumped as Shiba Inu once was. Singularity Net is the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on a blockchain. It's a whole ecosystem of applications to develop and use AI. Even Cardano has committed $500,000 to AI development and has partnered with Singularity Net. In addition to Cardano, the project partners with Cisco, Hanson Robotics, and Ocean Protocol. AGIX is the utility token used by Singularity Net throughout the platform for transactions management and community governance. There are 95% of all coins in circulation, which means they won't dump the rate. AGIX was selling for 10 cents at the token sale, which is only 5 times cheaper than the current price. So there is potential in terms of tokenomics, only the project's funds are rather weak. The token is near its local high, and it would be more correct to wait for a pullback at 20 cents to 30 cents. However, for clarity, we add 50 cents to our portfolio at 25%. Remember, everything I tell and show is just my observations. You don't need to blindly repeat my actions, and you should always do your own analysis. Fetch AI is the second fundamental token in our portfolio. Fetch AI recently announced that together with Bosch, they are forming a new foundation to boost development of industrial applications based on AI and Web3 technologies. Fetch AI is part of the Catena X automotive featuring Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, and Siemens. The project went on Binance Launchpad and is related to the largest cryptocurrency exchange. FET is the project's native token. It is used to pay for products and services in the Fetch AI ecosystem. The project has raised a total of $38 million in investments from private investors and token sale. The sum is not big, but all tokens are already in circulation, and the project is waiting for further growth. In one of my recent videos, I analyzed Fetch AI and expected the price to return to 30 cents and then growth. But it happened, so another pullback most probably will not happen anymore. Next, I expect the FET to trade in a slight sideways trend and then rise 300% above $1 in the second quarter of this year. We add FET at 42 cents in our portfolio at 25%. Total fundamental coins take up half the portfolio. Guys, in the second part of the video, I am going to talk about AI coins with potential to surge tens of X's in the coming months, and reveal a little-known coin with the promising name GPT and its prospects. Don't go away. The next type of assets we will add to the portfolio are medium-term assets with moderate risk and great growth potential. Phoenix is a blockchain infrastructure focusing on the next generation of AI and privacy-enabled Web3 apps. Among its investors and partners are major projects such as Binance, Hashed, Alibaba, Tencent, and others. In addition, Phoenix integrated into WeChat, the largest messenger in China, last November. Thus, the project falls into two powerful trends at once: AI and Chinese coins, and may well repeat the success of Conflux, about which I recently made a video about. PHB is the native token for the network. The token is used to pay for transactions on the blockchain, used as data usage credits for Phoenix Oracle and for staking. There are a total of 39 million PHBs in circulation with a total capitalization of only $46 million, which is very small for the project. PHB is near its local high, but given the low capitalization and powerful partners, I expect an all-time high as early as this year. The price is in a triangle. If the AI trend goes further, a breakup of this triangle upwards is quite possible. We add 15% to our portfolio for the experiment. The next Forta token has top investors on board: Coinbase, Andreessen Horowitz, Fabric Ventures, and others. The funds have invested $23 million, while the project's valuation is only $32 million. That means we can now buy the asset at the price of the funds. Forta is the leading decentralized security and operational monitoring network for wallets, developers, and investors. The project monitors the security of many large projects using AI technology. Forta is very similar to Aptos before the pump. Same powerful funds on board, also handed out coins airdrop, and the price dropped. The price is in the accumulation phase with the potential to surge tens or maybe hundreds of X's. However, there are huge risks here because the project is low liquid. Let's add Fort to the portfolio by 15% and move on to the most delicious one, GPT Coin. Crypto GPT is the blockchain for monetizing your data with AI. This is something similar to the move to earn trend, only here it's AI to earn. The project has a ready-made app, a marketplace, and everything you need for hype. It is important to understand that the app and the token have nothing to do with the official GPT-4 from OpenAI. However, let's see if the token has growth potential. The project launched on the DAO Maker site and has already grown 20 times since it was tokenized. GPT is a native app token that is used to pay commission fees, staking, and receive rewards within the app. Only 10% of the tokens are on the market. The other 90% will gradually hit the market over the course of a year and dump the price. That's why GPT is a local pump that can end quickly. In the first month after launch, the team prepared a lot of info breaks and listings for the token dump. So I expect hype and growth of GPT in the next month by several times. As soon as I start to unlock coins, I'll sell everything because the rate will drop. And in the meantime, we'll add 10% GPT to our portfolio as a very risky asset. The remaining 10% will stay in stablecoins for the time being. So, our AI coin portfolio looks something like this. Again, I warn you, this is not financial advice, just my thoughts. And if you enjoy the content I make, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All in all, the AI trend is gaining momentum and it's important to be cautious, but not to buy overheated coins. This trend will most likely deflate over time, as will the meta-universes, but our job is to catch the second wave of the trend and get out of assets when they are very overheated. In the meantime, stay tuned, the market is coming to life and there is plenty of juicy and useful content ahead. Thanks for watching your Coin Post.